Memos. Memos are the older version of an email in many ways, but they stay as a core of business, professional, and technical writing because we can contain a lot of information in such a nice skip, scan, skim package that holds some formality and is easy to reference. The main reason that memos are written in word processors, so you actually draft it in Docs, Word, whatever, and then send it out as attachments for folks to open, save, archive, and organize in their own folders. They're also designed for printing and maybe posting in your copy room or whatever. When you draft your memo in your blank document, include the following features. List the names of the people receiving the information. Usually a memo is going to be a range of people, so you can list them alphabetically or by rank. And typically include everyone's job titles. Unless your company specifies otherwise, sometimes they have standards. The memo might also be to a whole department, so you would just list the department name in the attention line. After all the attention, that to from stuff, include the date. Consider writing out the whole month instead of just the numeral format as well, just to account for multicultural companies and reduce just the overall potential for confusion. Everything else is similar to an email. The subject line is the specific topic. Make sure people can scan the header and know what the memo is about. The content should start with the orientation and purpose, deliver however many paragraphs or even pages of information you need, and close with the action items in a summary. Memos often use headings, tables, and visuals, all the design stuff of any other dense technical document. As an example, every semester I receive a faculty and staff memo from the Office of the Registrar with the purpose statement, "The Office of the Registrar would like to remind you of some important policies and deadlines." The then 5-ish, usually page memo goes on to list significant changes, key policies, and a table for registration-related timelines. They have information on dropping courses, links, and more. They use a lot of color, bolding, and bullet points under each big heading, so it's easy for me to scan for the information. It's honestly a helpful reference that I save to my desktop for easy access. Often it's actually faster for me to pull up the memo than it is to search the website or try to Google that information. It's just an all-around better experience for that campsite: context, audience, message, product.